Hey everyone, gather round because you're about to hear the most ridiculous, laugh-out-loud story about roast potatoes. Yes, you heard me right, roast potatoes, and not just any roast potatoes. The Skint roofers Stilton spuds. Now picture this. It's a typical British Sunday. Rain's pitter-pattering outside, and our mate Dave, the Skint roofer, decides he wants to treat himself. But there's a catch. The man's skint as in completely broke. His wallet has more cobwebs than cash, and his fridge, well, let's just say it's emptier than a politician's promise. Dave rummages around and finds the only ingredients left, a few spuds and a suspiciously old chunk of Stilton. You know the type, the cheese that smells like an old gym sock, but hey, beggars can't be choosers, right? So Dave gets cracking. He peels those spuds with the precision of a brain surgeon, which is ironic, considering he's been known to forget where he put his own tools. Anyway, he chucks them into the oven, waiting for them to crisp up. Now here's where it gets good. The Stilton, bless its mouldy heart, decides to put on a show. As it's melting, it releases a smell so potent it could make a skunk cry. But Dave, being Dave, thinks it smells gourmet. He's got that proud look on his face, like he's just invented the wheel. Meanwhile, the neighbours are convinced there's a gas leak. Mrs. Jenkins from next door even calls the fire brigade. They all show up, axes and hoses at the ready, only to find Dave standing there holding a tray of what looks like golden, crispy, well, spuds. Fireman Bob, bless him, doesn't know whether to laugh or cry. He takes one look at Dave and says, "Mate, whatever that is, keep it away from open flames." Dave, oblivious to the chaos he's caused, offers Bob a taste. And you know what? It's a hit. The fire brigade, Mrs. Jenkins, even the postman. They all gather around, munching on these Stilton spuds, laughing like they've just watched the best stand-up routine. Now Dave's become a local legend. People come from miles around to taste his infamous Stilton spuds. He even got himself a nickname, the Skint Roofer Chef. Who knew being broke could lead to culinary fame? So next time you're skint and all you've got is some old potatoes and stinky cheese, remember Dave? And give it a go. You might just create the next big thing. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you had a laugh. Catch you next time with more ridiculous tales. Cheers!